Okay, my fans, you know, say my thing they do sharp now. I will break everything down, make you for understand. You see this question, you know how to. If you know, say you dey prepare for JAMB for this 2025, say you won't really know the kind of question where they come for JAMB 2025. Now, one of the physics kind of question be this one. Now, this one come from under AC circuit. Which come be the question? They say an AC circuit of EMF 12 volts. If you dey read question for JAMB, they waste time. Just they bring up parameter because you don't really get the time. Oh. So now they don't say tell you say V. That's EMF. EMF fit use V carry represent am. EMF fit be voltage, e fit be po ten tial difference, e fit be, I don tell you now, electromotive force. They don say V now na 12 volts. You don hold that one for body one side. So has a resistor of resistance. Have a resistor of resistance 8 ohms. So you don give you say arrow now na 8 ohms. You don finish that one. Connected in series. Pay attention to that one. No. They say it connected in series to an inductor of inductive reactance. An inductor of inductive reactance 16 ohms. You go ask yourself, wetin be reactance? Reactance get symbol X. Then they call say inductive reactance. That means L go dey subscript here. This one now they call inductive reactance. And they say wetin be the value? 16 ohms. You know, say the unit for reactance now ohms. So inductive reactance na still ohms. E enter. So now you go let me know if I go to do things like this for you, so that before the JAMB go reach, if you go don't finish everything. So now you go know. I want take no say I really want make I really know say and I really need this thing now, because you go share this video, you go like this video. If you never subscribe, you go subscribe. And then when I see your comment, say you say make I do more, or comment how you take understand this one reach, now you go make me do more. So if you never do, I better begin the like am now, begin the comment. Now not be lie, the like give you. If I know say this video don't come out go far, you never share and go anywhere. It means say you don't want make I do this thing. I mean I go lock up, go for the other side where people want to do something. Sure, you understand my point now. Yeah, make you run this one. So now they can say, and a capacitor of capacitive reactance 10 ohms. They don't give us this one too. X subscript C 10 ohms. Capacitor of capacitive reactance 10 ohms. The current flowing in the circuit is dash. That means they don't know. They no give us the current where they flow. May I use question mark now, she? They don't give us the current where they flow inside this circuit, and they don't give us option. I want to know which one of these options is correct. It's simple. Now, for you to know the formula for this current, you know, say normally no Ohm's law now. Ohm's law say V equal to I arrow. Now the formula with this. So if I say make you find I, you go rush. You could tell me say you go make I the subject of formula by dividing both sides by arrow. Abi, if you divide both sides by arrow like this, divide both sides by arrow, you know say arrow go cancel. And then they assume say no. Now make it say they do it in some people don't know. So they break everything down. So that's why they teach my own. So I now will remain now will be equal to V over arrow. Now, so we suppose carry fine current, but we no go fit use this for particular formula. Mark am bad, make you know say you no suppose think am. We no go use this. Why I want mark something bad? Everybody they do strong head for me. You no suppose use this particular formula. Why? Because no be only resistor we dey talk about here. We get 3 parameters where they mention here. One, they mention resistor of resistance. This one connected in series with this particular inductor of inductive reactance. Now 2 without 2. And capacity, that 3 quantities when they anytime when they mention, even if now only 2 quantity, like for example resistor and inductor, only 2 quantity, I beg use impedance. Impedance now Z. I'm the symbol for impedance Z. I'm the symbol. Anytime when they measure even a resistor and capacitor, use impedance. If they mention only resistor, then use this particular resistor. If they mention 2, or can be these 3 of them when they mention na impedance. But we get formula for impedance in RL circuits. RL, I mean resistor and inductor circuit. Then we get formula for impedance in RC circuit, resistor and capacitor nabi, resistor and capacitor. RC circuit. We get for RLC circuit, we get impedance, formula for impedance, and all those things are the derive them. But if I derive and I know they useful to you, not only the formula we know to carry solve problem. One, you need to know the formula and how to use the formula to solve problem. Oh yeah, make we continue. Now, I don't tell you say we don't go instead, what you go do be say, in place of this arrow, you go replace them with Z. That means this formula for Ohm's law now can be V equal to I Z. Not be V equal to I arrow. So now if you can define something like I now, you can say I now will be equal to, when you divide both sides by Z, it can be V over Z. That means if you want to get this Z, because they don't give us V, you don't get V as 12 volt, but you don't know what is Z be. That means say you need the formula for this Z, carry find Z. Shey you don't see what they happen now. So now, currently, as it be like this, they say me find the current. You see the English, currently. They say me find the current. I go say currently. They catch the flow. So currently, we no go fit find the current because we don't know what is Z be, we know what is V be, but we no fit define two things the same time. So you gats find one, make you know say na only one dey find. So make you find Z. How we want take find Z? It's simple. Quote the formula for impedance in RLC circuit. Now Z equal to the general square root of R squared plus open bracket XL minus X subscript C, close the bracket, square. No ever forget this formula. No forget am. It's just I just arrange them. Now you go ask yourself, this XL, they don't give us. You get sometimes they don't give you, now you go find them. But if I see that kind of question, I go teach you. Maybe if you want that kind of question, just drop am for the comment section. I go run am for you. So now, this one too, they don't give them. This one, they don't give them. So this is everything they simple. Make you pack everything put inside. Time no day. So Z now will be equal to the general square root of R squared. R normally na 8. You can't add the square on top. 8 squared plus XL. Final na 16. 16 minus X subscript C. Now waiting na 10. 10. Close them, square them. What do you mean next thing you go do? You go ask yourself now. Now you go ask yourself. You can say 8 square. Now waiting. That be 64. 8 square means 8 times 8. And 8 times 8 now waiting. 64. You suppose know that one now. Then this one now. 16 minus 10. Now only 6 will give you 16 minus 10, 6. Then what of the square right there on top? You can't say 6 square now. You can't be 6 times 6. Maybe 36. Maybe 36. If they follow me, talk to me now. If they follow up, should be everything simple, no rush. So 36 plus 36. Everybody check. Wait till be 64 plus 36. You know hard now. Just 6 plus 4. 4 plus 6. Now 10. You write 0, carry 1. That one add on to this 3. If you can 4 plus this one, now 10. So 10 plus that other 0. You know be 100. And 100 be that now. So now Z now will be equal to the square root of 100. You know supposed to select another year say you know sabi the square root of 100. Wait till those two numbers will resemble when they multiply themselves, will give you 100. No be 10. 10 times 10 na 100 now. So just pick one of them. So the square root of 100 now waiting 10. Another problem is what be the unit of this guy? The unit of impedance now ohms. Because impedance just like say now the eldest brother to resistor. You know say reactance now ohm. This one too now ohm. Resistor now ohm. So reactance senior resistor. Then impedance comes senior, now be the eldest, comes senior 2 of them. So all of them are ohms. You shock am. So I beg make you share this video, like am. Everybody with the right JAMB way know. Share this video, put for the group chat. Share them anywhere you want share them, go, I beg. Because if you share them, come like them, drop comment. Now you go make me come do another one. I no go like give you. You don't share and finish, Abi. You don't like them. Don't forget to subscribe to. You know how you want to take notes. I don't drop another one. And when you turn on the notification bell after you don't subscribe, finish, turn on that thing will be like there for up there, and select all. You see, anytime I post this on a JAMB stuff, you will see it. You will see them. If you rely wire too, this video now for you. How I want to take on get this thing? Remember that's formula what I teach you. So if you want to get the current now, you can use the formula. Say current now I equal to V over Z. Wetin come be your V? See am na 12. 12 over wetin be your Z? You don't get am as 10. Therefore, I will be equal to nobody. You don't need calculator to say 12 divided by 10, maybe 1.2. You don't need calculator to carry do that one. 12 divided by 10 now 1.2. Check which option is correct. Me, I don't get time to check the option. Just check whether wetin be the unit of current, no be ampere. You don't use your eye check which option is correct for this thing. You don't see them. You don't put them for comment section. I mean, I don't go. Thank you, say you come watch my video. And if you no come like and share and subscribe, you know if you see me again, no, if you likely not see me again. So for more JAMB questions, like likely questions like this way they expect for this one, I like this video, share them. Now all I get for you that my name is Allison, the celebrity instructor. So now next time I go see you. Now any I go be peace and love.